Here's how you make an awesome witch's potion. Here's a quick tour of it. First we have the bottom layer, witches and wizard serum. And then we have the magical witch base and the secret ingredient top layer. Now to make these things, you have to have some basic ingredients. But these ingredients will make the stuff. First off, get a basic jar. Just to let you know, it can be a glass cup or a plastic cup that's clear, and it must be clear to see the magic happen. So this is a really easy step. First, you're going to get either honey or maple syrup. As you can see, the honey makes the bottom layer. But you might be thinking, that's not magical. It's just honey. They have to form together to be magical. So now, remember, honey or syrup. So I'm going to be using honey, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm simply just going to squirt a decent amount. Maybe about that much. Yep, that seems good. This next part, I recommend doing it in a separate dish. So I'm going to take this little glass thing, and I'm going to fill it with water and then put my color option. So each different color gives a different power. I'm going to do the H2O power species power, which means water and ice. I simply filled it with some water. Now it's time to pick my color. So now I'm going to add my color. I'm going to do maybe one drop to start off. I'm going to mix it all together to see how it turns out. Yep, that looks pretty good to me. So now I'm just going to pour it in. So I'm simply just going to add my water. And as you can see, it's starting to spout. Next, we're going to be putting some olive oil. So you're just going to put a little bit of olive oil. I'm first going to put it in this glass to show you. As you can see, it's just normal olive oil right now. But let's see what happens when I pour it in. Okay, now I'm going to pour it in. Oh, look at that, no spill. And look how cool it looks. It looks like a beach. And you can always add way more than me since I just have a small amount right now. But look how cool it stacks. You can see the honey, the water, and this. Does it look like honey, water, and olive oil? No, not at all. It looks magical. And if you want, you can even make a little label on it. But make sure it's in like secret code or something, so you can like make it all secret so no one comes and does anything bad. So I'm going to do pink for that one over there that's pre-made. Do blue for the one I just made to label the colors. Just so I don't forget if I ever lose my sense of color. So I can't really find a blue in here. Looks like I found one. So I'm going to cut it, and make sure you don't do this if you don't know how to use scissors, okay? So I think I'm just gonna cut it into 2 pieces, just like about maybe this long. So that's one, and I'll see you when I do the second part. Now we're gonna add our labels. First up, I'm just going to simply call them. You can name them whatever you want based off your color. Like pink has so many values to it, so you can do anything. What should I name mine? Probably Icy Blue. And then for the next one, which is pink, I'll do Meteor Lava. I added some stickers to mine, so that's why they look a little different. Tape. And you can use whatever sticking way you want to do. There's so many. I simply think I'm just going to stick them like this and then make it like a little sticky tab and stick it on. It's like magic. You can't even see it. And I'll just put the logo high so you can really focus on this. Now for the next one, and just do the same thing. Tape, roll it up, and stick it on each other. And apply, and then you can stick it right on the jar. Okay, so these are our finished products, Meteor Lava and Icy Blue. Tell me which one's your favorite, and that's how you make the Witch's Brew.